Hello again. Before you watch the following film, I just thought it'd be nice to say a few words about it. The film was taken by me back in the mid-1970s. My late father had just bought this hand-turned chairplanes ride. He had always been interested in fun fairs since he was a very young lad. They went to all the traction engine rallies, my mum and my dad, and one day he managed to buy this set of aeroplanes, and I went along and helped him on his first day out. This was at the Stonehouse Traction engine rally in Gloucestershire, and I made this little film about the ride. I must apologise in advance for the quality. It's only on old Super 8 film, and I used a very unscientific method to copy it. Basically, I just projected it onto a smaller screen and then used my camcorders to film that. I really saved it for posterity because a lot of these films, they're gradually deteriorating and the projectors will wear out and you won't be able to replace them, so I thought I'd try digitising it, but again, I'm sorry for the quality. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the film. It's only about 2.5 minutes long. Anyway, here we go. Here's the film.